Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to another DIY Wednesday. Today I'll be sharing with you the wonders of cloves to the hair. But first I'll be sharing with you some benefits of cloves to the hair, which will be displayed on the screen. All you have to do is just soak your cloves in water for 48 hours and sieve into your application or spray bottle. Well, I was surfing the net on a fateful day when I came across cloves and some of its benefits to the hair, and I decided to give it a try just to verify the few things I saw online. And I could only use this for a week because I have a hair appointment in a week's time. So if you are planning to use this, I would recommend using it for at least 2 weeks. Though I was only able to use it for 1 week, but the effect is quite evident, and I would like to highly recommend this for those who wish to grow their edges or a bald spot. In order to prevent hair loss while taking out your protective style, I would advise you comb your hair one after the other. Do not wait till all your protective style is loose before you comb out your hair. Before wash, I would be using hair mask, and I would be dividing my hair into 4 sections for easy application. But before then, I would like to introduce the Pantene Pro V hair product to you. This keratin protect oil is actually one of my favorite, and for the hair mask I would be using the Pantene rose water hair mask, and some benefits of Pantene is displayed on the screen. And because I have a fuller hair, I would be using, or depending on how full your hair is, you might have to use this twice. I would be spraying my hair with water first before application. Important things to note while applying hair mask include for you to massage it gently into your scalp, and ensure the length of your hair is covered from the root down to the tip. Every part of your hair has to be covered with the mask. And once my mask is fully applied, I'm going to just cover my hair and let it sit for 1 hour. Once the time is up, I'm going to just go ahead with my normal wash routine. After washing, I'm going to leave my hair to dry naturally, and I'm going to apply the keratin protect oil I showed you in the And that is all for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you are new to my channel, and like the video. Also drop a comment if you would like to see more Clove D.I.Y products like clove oil and clove ear mask. See you some other time.